Now let's talk about PolyLine line type generation, another command option. So we've got 3 different hidden lines here, and you'll notice the hidden line dash length. This particular one here is just a regular arc object. They are not connected, so you've got this incredibly long hidden line dash where they connect. So at the endpoints, it does a miscalculation on the line type. If you join these into a polyline, the default option you'll get is this one on the outside. With this particular one, you still get that longer dash because there's an option in the polyline properties that has to be turned on. That's what this one has here. When I do a grip edit on that and go to the properties palette, over here at the very bottom, there's an item called line type generation. It's enabled. If I disable it, you can see cycling between it, the change. So with it enabled, I get a more accurate line type generation. And with it turned off, I don't.